Hello everyone, my name is Navish Saxena and I am working as a point of care business head and zonal service manager at Heidelco Medical Private Limited. Heidelco Medical Private Limited is established in year 2013 and it is present in critical care equipment domain. Now I am going to explain our equipment, Immunofluorescence quantitative analyzer. It comes with a SD card for kit identification. This is the kits for testing and this is the pre-calibrated pipettes. It has 7-inch color touch screen display and inbuilt thermal printer, and this is the port to insert the kits. It has one SD card slot and 2 USB port to connect keyboard and mouse. In the rear panel we have LAN port for communication and HLIS communication. This is the COM port and this is the power adapter port and this is on off switch. Here we can add patient data like identity, age, name and gender. Here we can select sample type. It can be whole blood, serum and plasma, and here we have two modes, inside mode and outside mode. Here we can have 10,000 patient data capacity and we can take printout as and when required. With the help of this device we can perform cardiac marker like NT-proBNP, TROP-I, D-dimer, CKMB and diabetes marker, inflammation, renal function, hormones, tumor and fertility tests.